Now children and the young at heart, make a pit stop at Rainforest Kids World. You can look forward to splashes of exhilarating activities and exciting rides. Journey through a wonderland of whimsical colors, shapes, and incredible performances at Wildlife Conservation. Look out for monitor lizards, stalk-billed kingfishers, or Singapore's largest bird, the white-bellied sea eagle. We're getting close to the heart of Singapore Zoo now. This is perhaps the most scenic spot at Singapore Zoo, Garden with a View. This is also the resting place of our most famous and beloved orangutan, Aming, who died of old age in February 2008. For the longest time, Aming was the icon of Singapore Zoo and the only non-human recipient of the Special Tourism Ambassador.